What you're looking at wasn't created by 3 different editors or 3 separate AI tools. Every one of these ads started with just one product photo and one product brief. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I created all 3 commercial variations inside Flova, an AI native video creation agent platform, without constantly switching between different AI tools. Instead of just generating random videos, Flova helps organize the entire creative workflow, from planning to production, revisions, and final approval. One of the biggest challenges when creating AI commercials isn't generating a video. It's keeping everything organized. You have product information, brand guidelines, marketing goals, reference images, and before you know it, you're jumping between documents, AI generators, editing software, and cloud folders. For this project, I wanted to see if I could keep everything inside one workspace. So let's build a real commercial from scratch. For today's example, I'm creating a short-form product advertisement. The goal is simple. I have one product photo, a product description, my target audience, and I need multiple ad variations for short-form platforms. Instead of immediately generating videos, I'm first going to give Flova all of the campaign information. This is where project documents become important. Rather than keeping campaign information in separate files, I can store everything directly inside the project. For this commercial, I'm adding product benefits, target audience brand tone, campaign objective, call to action, platform requirements. Now the project has all of the context it needs before we generate anything. Instead of repeating these details every time, Flova can reference them throughout the production process. Now let's move into planning. Instead of asking AI to create random scenes, I'll use the project context to generate a storyboard. Flova turns the campaign brief into a structured shot plan that I can actually review before production begins. Rather than guessing what the final video might look like, I can already see the creative direction scene by scene. This makes it much easier to catch problems before spending time generating the final commercial. Everything is organized visually inside the canvas. I can see the storyboard, my product assets, generated shots, references, and the overall production flow in one workspace. Instead of managing dozens of separate files, everything stays connected to the same project. Now this is one of the features I really like. Before generating anything, Flova gives me a prompt draft. Instead of immediately spending credits, I can review exactly what the AI is about to create. I can check the product placement, the camera angle, the overall visual style, the character's actions, the call to action, and even the generation settings. This is especially useful because small prompt changes can make a big difference in the final commercial. For this first version, I want the product to be more visible right from the opening shot. So I'm going to adjust the prompt slightly to make the product the primary focus during the first 3 seconds. Everything else looks good, so let's approve it and generate the first version. Now, Flova takes everything we've prepared, the product brief, the storyboard, and the prompt, and turns it into a reviewable commercial. This isn't just generating random clips, it's generating based on all the project context we've already built. Here's the first version. Overall, it looks really good. The product is clearly visible, the pacing feels smooth, and it follows the campaign direction we planned earlier. But in marketing, one version is rarely enough. Different audiences respond to different hooks. So instead of starting over, let's create multiple variations using the same project. Because all of the campaign information already exists inside the project, I don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. I'll create 3 different versions from the same product context. Variation 1. The first version focuses on the product itself. It's clean, cinematic, and highlights the premium look and feel. This would work well as a brand awareness advertisement. Variation 2. For the second version, I'm changing the opening hook and making it feel more like a user-generated content ad. The pacing is faster, the presentation is more casual, and it's designed for short-form platforms. This version feels much more native to social media. Variation 3. And for the third version, I'm keeping the same product but changing the creative direction. This version puts more emphasis on the product benefits and ends with a stronger call to action. Now I have 3 completely different creative directions, all created from the same campaign context. This is where Flova's workflow becomes really useful. Instead of generating one video and hoping it's the right one, I can compare multiple versions side by side. Maybe one hook performs better, maybe another version matches the brand better, or maybe the client wants elements from two different ads. Having several reviewable options makes those decisions much easier. Let's say the client likes this version, but there's one problem. The opening shot doesn't show the product clearly enough. Normally, I'd have to regenerate the entire commercial. Instead, Flova lets me edit just that specific shot. I'm going to leave a simple instruction. Move the product closer to the camera and make it more prominent during the opening scene. That's it. Only this shot gets updated while the rest of the commercial stays exactly the same. And here's the result. The product is much more visible now, and I didn't have to rebuild the entire project just to fix one scene. That kind of shot-level control can save a lot of time, especially when you're working through client feedback. Once I'm happy with the final versions, I don't want to lose everything I've built. That's where the asset library comes in. I'm saving the approved product images, selected shots, brand references, and other assets from this campaign. The next time I create an ad for the same product or even another campaign for the same brand, I don't need to upload or organize everything again. Everything is already available inside the project ecosystem. The other feature I want to highlight is skills. Instead of repeating the same creative process every time, I can save a workflow that works. For example, if I regularly create short-form e-commerce ads, I can reuse the same production process across future projects. That means less time rebuilding workflows and more time focusing on creative decisions. If you're working as part of a marketing team or an agency, from there, Flova continues the workflow by turning that structured plan into a storyboard, prompt drafts, editable shots, and multiple reviewable ad variations. It's a practical way to connect planning with production without constantly copying and pasting information between different tools. So here's what we created from a single product brief. We started with one product and one campaign objective. We organized everything inside the project, planned the creative direction, reviewed the prompts before generating, created multiple commercial variations, refined one individual shot without rebuilding the whole ad, and finally saved everything so it can be reused in future campaigns. That's a much more structured workflow than jumping between separate AI tools for every step. After using Flova for this project, what stands out isn't just the AI video generation. It's the way the entire creative process stays connected. Instead of managing documents, assets, prompts, revisions, and generated videos across multiple platforms, everything remains in one workspace. That makes reviewing, iterating, and producing commercial content much more efficient. If you're creating AI ads, product commercials, short films, viral videos, or episodic content, Flova isn't just another AI video generator or another all-in-one platform. It's an AI-native video creation agent platform that helps you plan, organize, review, iterate, and produce videos within a single creative workflow. Instead of starting from scratch every time, Flova keeps your project context, helps you explore multiple creative directions, refine individual shots, and turn successful workflows into reusable production systems. If you'd like to try it yourself, use the link in my description to sign up. Use my link to sign up on Flova and get 100 free credits. After signing up, you can also earn an additional 200 credits by exploring Flova and completing the onboarding steps. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.